Hello, this is Stephen Harrison, meteorologist at the National Weather Service in San Diego, and here is a 3-minute video briefing on the upcoming wet weather expected for late this week. The weather pattern today shows generally weak northwesterly flow aloft and a weak ridge of high pressure to our west, resulting in generally benign weather for Southern California, except for some patches of fog occurring at times along the coast during the overnight hours. On Thursday, a weak trough of low pressure moves inland to our north and may bring some light showers over and west of the mountains. Over the northeast Pacific, we can see a stronger low pressure system that will move southeast and bring us precipitation late Friday through Saturday. That strong low pressure system will be just off the California coast by late Friday, and southwesterly flow will bring moist air into Southern California. The combined effects of strong lift provided by the low pressure system and the moist air coming in from the subtropics will bring widespread showers to the region late Friday through Saturday. This graphic shows 4 of the forecast models and their predictions for precipitation for the early morning of Saturday, March 1st. The reason our confidence is high on this weather pattern is that the models are all in pretty good agreement with each other, as they all show precipitation for Southern California for this time. Here is the weather story, highlighting the pattern change occurring late this week. To summarize, expect generally pleasant weather through Tuesday with possibly some patches of fog along the coast during the late night and early morning hours. Then Wednesday night into Thursday morning, there will be a chance for light showers over and west of the mountains, along with some gusty winds in the mountains and deserts. Then a stronger low pressure system should bring widespread showers, some of which could bring heavy downpours to Southern California, resulting in significant precipitation accumulations. Expect snow levels to lower down to 5,500 to 6,000 feet by overnight Friday, with heavy snowfall possible above those elevations. Winds will also be quite strong, especially in the mountains and deserts. There will also be some marine impacts, as there will likely be strong winds and steep seas over the coastal waters, resulting in hazardous conditions for small craft. Also, highest tides peaking at above 6.5 feet during the mid-morning hours in combination with elevated surf may bring some minor coastal flooding to vulnerable low-lying areas along the beach. That's the end of this briefing. For more information, visit these links and follow us on our social media pages. Thanks for watching.